Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Java Beam and this is Satya. In this video, I am going to discuss about pattern matching for instance operator from Java 15. Java 15 has released recently. It has released on 15th September. It is good to know about new features as a Java developer. Let's see what is pattern matching for instance. So instance of operator is not a new to Java. It is been there, and it also in Java 15 they have enhanced instance operator and added pattern matching. We know we use instance operator to check what type of instance it is. Let's say I have example here. Let's say I have one animal interface, and animal interface has implemented by dog and cat. Let's say animal obj, and this obj referring to dog or cat. I'm not sure which object currently it is referring, and here I received the obj and I want to check if it is a dog. Then I want to perform some dog specific operations I need to perform here. So we use the instance of operator, something like this instance of, and we'll check what type of it is. So whether it's dog or cat or something else. And similar way here I am doing checking against the cat type. If it is cat type, then I want to perform some cat specific operations. This is how we use the instance operator. Now there are additions to instance operator, that is pattern matching. We'll see with example, real-time example we'll see. Here, what are the advantages? Pattern matching instance of operator improves the developer productivity and eliminates the need for common boilerplate code. There is unnecessary code we are repeatedly using that we can remove. We'll see how we can remove that, and should allow more conscious type safe code. And this is a second preview in the sense it has been introduced in Java 14, but it is a preview, means it is for just developer use, but it's not for production use, and it's not released in Java 14 also, and it's included in Java 15 as a preview feature. So it's not a full-fledged part of Java. It may be part of future releases or may not be part of future releases. That is the meaning of preview. Let me go to IDE and we'll see with example. Let's say in my main class I have one object obj and I am passing to check instance. I'm not sure what about object it is here. So for that I am checking, is it obj instance of string or not. If it is string, what I am doing is I will typecast to string s is equal to typecasting to string of obj. Now I am checking whether a string is empty or not. Is empty, or we can say is blank. If it is not a blank, and if it is equals to abc, then what I want to print here is something like expected input. This is my business logic here. This is how we are writing in Java 14 or 15, or not Java 15, but in Java 14 and earlier versions we are writing like this. Now there is a enhancement like a pattern matching. What exactly pattern matching is? If obj is instance of string, in this case the object is converted object, like obj is converted to string object and it will assign to some variable, whatever s1. Let's say the s1 variable we can directly use instead of again typecasting. So here we can say this is boilerplate code, because we already know that obj is type of string, because this is passed in this condition. If condition is passed means obj is type string, then only it comes inside this. Again we are checking like whether it is string. After string we are checking like we are converting to string and we are using. So instead of typecasting we can directly use s1, and that let me give as s so that we can directly use s. So that s can be used directly instead of typecasting. Or all the logic we can move to up, as the variable is here itself. We can do this one as well, and we can comment this. Let me run this and we'll get the same output as earlier. This is expected input. Yeah, this is how pattern matching in instance operator we can use. Hope you understood the advantage here. The advantage is we can remove the boilerplate code where we are typecasting. So instead of typecasting we can use a pattern matching, like a pattern we are giving here. After it is comparing this, value being assigned to this one. So the scope of S is within the block. The block starts here and ends here, right? So within the block the scope will be available. S can be used inside this. If you want you can use this and you can print what object exactly it is. Yeah, this is how we use the instance operator. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe my channel to get the latest updates. If you want to know about any concepts, you can provide your comments in below comment section. Signing off.